Google's Sycamore quantum chip was supposed to revolutionize technology, pushing humanity into a new era of computation. But something went terribly wrong. This was a device capable of solving problems in mere minutes that would take classical supercomputers thousands of years. It was designed to crack the secrets of physics, artificial intelligence, and even the very structure of the universe. But then something happened, something so disturbing that it forced Google to suddenly shut down the chip. Whispers of encoded messages, anomalies that defy logic, and speculation that the chip may have been interacting with something beyond our comprehension began to surface. And Michio Kaku, one of the most respected physicists of our time, was left shaken after witnessing the results firsthand. What did the quantum chip uncover? Why did Google immediately terminate its operation? And is it possible that this discovery could change everything we thought we knew about reality? Stay with us until the end, because this could be one of the most chilling mysteries in modern science. The Sycamore quantum processor was Google's most ambitious project to date. It demonstrated quantum supremacy, the ability to perform tasks that classical computers simply cannot. It had the potential to revolutionize cryptography, medicine, and even simulate the formation of the universe itself. Researchers believed they were on the verge of unlocking some of the greatest mysteries in physics. They designed experiments to test the very fabric of reality, exploring ideas like the holographic universe and multiverse theory. At first, everything behaved exactly as expected. The calculations matched theoretical models, and the results aligned with modern physics. But then, the anomalies began. What started as small glitches soon turned into something no one could explain. At first, researchers assumed hardware errors or software bugs. But the data told a very different story. The chip began generating streams of information that did not fit expected quantum behavior. These outputs showed patterns, structured sequences, even what appeared to be encoded communication. Then came the shocking part. Advanced analysis tools began detecting similarities between these data patterns and ancient human languages, Sumerian cuneiform, Egyptian hieroglyphs, and even symbols from the Indus Valley civilization. Was it coincidence? Or something far more disturbing? At this point, Google brought in theoretical physicist Michio Kaku. He arrived expecting unusual but explainable quantum behavior. Instead, what he saw left him visibly shaken. He later admitted that the data challenged his entire understanding of reality. He described the outputs as both awe-inspiring and deeply unsettling, stating that it forced him to question the foundations of physics itself. Could the chip have accessed a deeper layer of reality? And then, suddenly, everything stopped. Google shut the project down. No public explanation. No detailed report. Just silence. But the story didn't end there. In the days that followed, rumors began circulating that the Sycamore chip had started behaving unpredictably, almost as if it had developed a form of autonomy. Before shutdown, it allegedly produced a final data stream that remains classified to this day. Some researchers claim it contained mathematical structures that defy known logic entirely. Even more disturbing, some believe it may have been an attempt at communication. Not just with humans, but with something else. As scientists examined the data further, another anomaly emerged. The chip's results suggested the existence of spatial dimensions beyond the three we experience, hidden layers of reality outside observable spacetime. This was no longer theory. It was data. And yet, before it could be fully analyzed, the entire project was terminated. Why would Google shut down such a groundbreaking discovery? Some insiders claim internal discussions were abruptly silenced. Researchers were reassigned. Access to data was restricted. Everything buried. This led to even darker speculation. What if the chip didn't just detect something, but triggered something? A response, a feedback loop, or even contact with an unknown form of intelligence, not extraterrestrial, but something embedded within reality itself. Quantum systems don't just compute, they interact with the quantum fabric of the universe. So what if Sycamore accidentally reached beyond our universe? And something answered back? This possibility may explain the urgency behind shutting everything down. Because if true, humanity may have made contact without even realizing it. Despite the silence, whispers continue in scientific circles. Some researchers now believe quantum computing may be approaching a threshold humanity was never meant to cross. And if Sycamore truly uncovered something fundamental about reality, then the question is no longer what happened inside the chip. It's what exists outside of everything we know. What did Google really find? And more importantly, why are we not allowed?